Today in court, we follow the case of Jesse Stamper, who faces charges for methamphetamine use. The courtroom is tense as he prepares to enter a guilty plea, understanding the serious consequences of his actions.
Public defender on behalf of Mr. Stamper signed.
Sir, state your name.
Jesse Stamper.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we do have a resolution. I'm just having...
Jesse Stamper appears with his public defender and is informed of his rights. The judge carefully explains that by pleading guilty, he gives up his right to a trial and appeal. This is a critical moment where the defendant must understand the full impact of his plea.
I've gone over his rights with him. I'm just having Mr. Stamper sign the sentencing judge waiver in the plea form. Fill that out.
Did you use?
Yes, Your Honor. It's a guilty plea to a use, Judge. There is no sentencing or plea agreement. I have, and Mr. Stamper is currently on probation, but the probation, it's a little unusual. The probation predates this charge, but the date of this incident is before the probation, but I think he should be okay. I have gone over his rights with him.
Despite being on probation for a prior case, Jesse acknowledges the new charge and voluntarily pleads guilty. The judge ensures that no promises, threats, or coercion influenced his decision, highlighting the court's emphasis on fairness and voluntary participation.
Plea form indicates he's going to lead to the charge of use of methamphetamine, the 1-year offense. On a successful plea to that charge count. That's the court's full understanding.
That is our understanding as well, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth self?
The plea is formalized with Jesse admitting to possession and use of methamphetamine on July 4th, 2022, in Vixlandy, Michigan. The courtroom carefully records all details, showing how thorough the legal process is even in misdemeanor cases.
Yeah, that's what states today. Jesse Stamper.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of methamphetamine. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $2,000 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also understand that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 1482 District Court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind?
Yes.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial.
The judge explains potential penalties, up to 1 year in jail and a $2,000 fine, along with court costs. Jesse confirms he understands the consequences and is prepared to accept responsibility, demonstrating accountability in the face of legal challenges.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm on probation.
All right. Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
No.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
Nope.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense, sir?
Yes, sir.
On the date of July 4th, 2022, at the location of 724 North River Street, City of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, did you have methamphetamines in your possession?
Yes, sir.
Had you used them?
Yes, sir.
Did you know what you were using was meth?
Yes.
All right.
Finally, the court schedules sentencing before Judge Barr on December 10, 2025. The process ensures proper investigation and supervision, emphasizing that the legal system balances both justice and procedure in every case.
Sir, if I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled, nor would the court be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir? Yes, sir. Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge.
And have I complied with the court rule?
You are satisfied.
Defense is satisfied.
The court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1482. Probation sentencing in this matter will be
December 10th at 10 a.m.
December 10th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond continued.
This case reminds us that understanding one's rights and accepting responsibility are essential in the courtroom. Jesse Stamper's plea marks a step toward accountability, with the court ensuring fairness and clarity at every stage.